Incredible! Fire can be colorful, and it's chemistry that paints it this way. Let's conduct a few experiments on a fireproof tray in the presence of an adult. Copper sulfate, moistened with antiseptic, burns with a beautiful green flame. When heated, copper ions transition into a gaseous state. Their electrons become excited, and they emit a green light. If we ignite alcohol, we will see a blue flame. The higher the concentration of alcohol in the solution, the bluer and clearer the fire will be, because alcohol burns cleanly, without soot. Salt or baking soda, moistened with antiseptic, burns with a golden yellow light. When heated, the sodium contained in both salt and soda emits a yellow light. And finally, boric acid. Ignite it and an emerald flame appears. Boron is a true alchemist among the elements. Every color of the flame is a cry from the atoms of specific elements, signaling their presence to us.